Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create new user profiles in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Creating a profile in Chrome helps you customize your browsing, keep your stuff private, separate works and personal stuff, access your stuff across devices, and add tools like you to create new user profile. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC and then click on this one profile icon in the top right corner, and here click on this one add option. Now you can select sign in option or use this one continue without an account in case you don't want to sign in to your Chrome profile. Just select the next option, continue without an account. Now name your profile such as personal or work. Then click on this one done button. Now profile has been created. To switch the profile, click on this one profile icon in the top right corner in the Chrome browser, and you will find here all the profiles that you have created, such as I can switch between personal one profile or work profile or guest profile on my Windows PC.